Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use AI prompts feature in BitSocial. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect any of your social media accounts in BitSocial. First, navigate to the Account section. Then click on the Connect Account button. Here you will see that different types of social media platforms are available. Now select LinkedIn from the available platforms. Then click on the Connect button under LinkedIn and follow the steps to connect your LinkedIn account with BitSocial. Here you will see that your LinkedIn account has been successfully connected in the BitSocial account section. Step 2. Connect your OpenAI account. Now go to the AI prompt section. Then, connect your OpenAI account with BitSocial by simply clicking the Connect button. Next, enter your OpenAI API key here. To get your OpenAI API key, visit the OpenAI API keys page. Then click on the Create New Secret Key button and complete the secret key creation process. Once the API is successfully created, copy it and paste it into the API key field. Next, click on the Connect button. Step 3. Create a new prompt. Now, click the Create Prompt button. A form will appear. Give your prompt a title. Choose the type, text, or image. Select OpenAI as the platform. In the Model drop-down, pick an AI model. Next, choose the image size, image style, and image quality as per your preferences. When you select image as the type, BitSocial uses the DALL-E 3 model to generate it. So in the prompt field, describe the image you want, and you can also include smart tags like post_title. Now, click OK to save the prompt. Your new AI prompt will now appear in the AI prompts list. Step 4. Assign prompts in templates. Now go to the BitSocial template section. Here you can edit the template for each of your social media posts individually. Now I will set up an AI prompt template here that can automatically generate captions for LinkedIn posts. To create a template that uses AI prompts, simply click the prompt tag button and complete the full process for text prompt creation. The text prompt you are creating here. This will not affect your main AI prompt. Next, select Prompt Image as the posting type. In the prompt name field, choose the image generation prompt that you just created. Step 5. Set up the WP autopost feature. Now, go to the WP autopost section and configure all the necessary settings to enable the automatic posting feature. Step 6. Publish a post on WordPress. After completing all the necessary steps, go to your WordPress site and publish a new post. Once the post is successfully published, BitSocial will automatically share it to all your connected social media accounts. Step 7. Verify the post status. Now go back to the BitSocial dashboard and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that the post response has been successfully captured and recorded. If you click on the Visit button, you will see that the post has been successfully shared on LinkedIn. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.